Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. That's my complete name. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next video is about Chinatown branches. What closed bank am I referring to? Okay, I'm referring to Bangko Filipino, which was closed second time last 2011. Uh, a lot of you will be telling to yourselves, Steve, that bank is already closed. Why will you make another video? Actually, when I check all the problems and the issues and the financial feud between the two, BSP and Bangko Filipino, actually Bangko Filipino has more than assets than lower than liabilities. Actually, there was a misunderstanding. Kaya nagkaroon ng technicalities. By the way, I'm gonna tell you kung Chinatown branches, ako nang bahala mag-convince. But, I'm gonna tell you, this will not be an easy task. Hindi ganun kadali mag-convince. It takes time. Hindi ito isang araw, isang buwan, o isang taon. Maraming relations dadaanin. Maraming pagsubok. Pero we can assure na ito ay subok na matibay, subok na matatag. Alam kong napakadaling sabihin but it's not easy to, what they call this, convince. Why did I say it's not easy to convince? Because it needs a lot of explanations because may history na. So, kailangan hindi na siya pwede pumalpak sa pangatlong beses. Kasi ang gusto namin ipatatag. Kasi yung goal niya hindi pwede sira-sirain lang o ipapadyak-padyak lang ng ganon-ganon lang. So, no more. By the way, ano yung mga Chinatown branches na tinutukoy ko? Okay. First is Binondo. Kasi yan ang sentro sa Chinatown. Susunod, Ongpin, T. Alonso, Tomas Mapua. Basta related sa Chinatown. Yung solar, meron yung solar, di ba? After sa Arangke, yan. That's another one. Ang Santa Cruz, actually, ang Santa Cruz kasi konektado. Konektado yan eh. Going Chinatown yun eh, pagliko. Iba yung sa Tayuman. Tayuman is not Chinatown, but part of Manila. So, that's it. Uulitin ko, meron ako ng banggit Arangke. Arangke kasama. Ongpin, yan ang pinakakuan. Recto kasama. Recto, yung may LRT. Yan. Tomas Pin, I think na-mention ka na, Tomas Pinpin, T. Alonso, Tomas Mapua, Arangke, basta sakop ng Chinatown. Kasi yan, hindi kaya na isang bangko lang yan eh. Halimbawa, Metrobank, I don't think so. BDO, I don't think so. Ang AUB, meron din. Pero, alam ko hindi pa yan sapat. Lalo na China Bank, ay kulang. So, we can assure, ang Chinatown branches sa Metro Manila, pasok din yan. It will take time and I know it's hard to convince. It needs convincing. Kailangan kasi ito market relations eh. Assurance, we can take many arrangements. Basta we can assure sa etong third opening, reopening, matibay na to. At saka, ang slogan yun pa rin, subok na matibay, subok na matatag. Kasi ito nadapa lang eh. Thank you for listening this video, in this watching. Good afternoon, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next Bangko Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening. Good afternoon.